Hey guys, and welcome back to Rich Man Knows Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to run a speed test on your Firestick without having to download a third-party application. And it's really simple to do. So grab your Firestick remote and let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go to your Amazon home screen. Once you're here, scroll over to Settings. That's the little gear icon on the right-hand side. Scroll down once and then over to Network. Click on Network, and now you'll see the Wi-Fi network or the Ethernet network that you're connected to. Once there, you're going to press the play pause button. That's this button here on your remote. Press that, and you're going to come up to this screen. Now let me get rid of my webcam here. And you'll see where it says connected to Wi-Fi and then connected to the internet and network download speed. That was the last test that I took. What you want to do is go down to the bottom. You'll see it says advanced and run speed test. So just scroll over to run speed test and click on that. And then give it a minute to do its thing. Now that it's done, you'll see that it shows my internet speed is 89.27 megabits per second, and it was last measured today at 12:34 p.m. See how easy that was, guys? Now you don't have to go into the Amazon store and download a third-party app. You can do it right from within the Firestick. So if this helped you out today, guys, make sure you smash that like button and hit that subscribe button. I really do appreciate it. This is Rich Man. I'll see you in my next video.